Hello everyone. So we are doing a series known as Broadening Horizon from 4th of June every Saturday and Sunday. Along with me, Dr. Rajashi Mishra, Dr. Lakshmi Prashanti, Dr. Bhavika, Dr. Josephine, we all will be there, and we will teaching you lots of different aspects in homeopathy and how to tackle each and every case from different approaches, from the sensation method to the Allen and Boric method to the using therapeutic in pathological condition. We are going to learn a lot. We'll try to decode many of the mental rubrics, and there will be a session which will be taken by Dr. Lakshmi Prashanti, in which we will talking a lot about the animal kingdom remedy. So we'll go in detail with the animal kingdom remedy this time. So do join us, try to learn something new from us if you have time. From 4th of June we will start. So we'll teach you another pretty interesting remedy today, that is Nicolam from the mineral kingdom, and it has a good sphere of action in digestive system and the respiratory system as well, and it's a pretty good remedy for the migraine as well. So good remedy, and I would expect a lot of hiccups. Intense hiccups is the major PQR of this remedy. And what I experienced during the coughing, he must sit up and hold his head. And another PQR is that during coughing, he must always incline to put his hands in the thighs. That's another PQRS of this remedy. And some beautiful cases of headache I have seen getting cured from this beautiful remedy. So you can learn this from Jahn-Chorlton periodic table, and this is the Jahn-Chorlton, and this is the 4th row of the periodic table, and it's in the 10th column. So 4th row and the 10th column which denote the work, task, duty and the security, and 10th column means which is very much stable type of person. Okay, so if you look around, it's a mineral kingdom remedy. It is a huge sphere of action in nervous system, respiratory system, back and abdomen. There is major peculiar symptom is that head pain like cutting, darting, stabbing, pain as if brain were cut into pieces on stooping. So it is like brain is cutting into the pieces on stooping. Nicolam belongs to the 4th row and the 10th column. It develops stability in work, task, and duty and the security. There is ailment from being contradiction which is ameliorated in the evening. So there is ailment from being contradiction. There is delusion of being wrong suffer. Wrong here indicate because of someone else he tends to suffer. There is lots of feeling of being wrong suffered. He thinks that he has suffered because of someone else. There is delusion he is going to be sick. As soon as he is in the 10th column, he thinks he is stable, but there is always a delirium and delusion that he is going to be sick. He thinks he is poisoned. He thinks that he is about to be poisoned. He thinks that he sees birds all the time. There is refusal from the authority to accept someone. There is always a ego is well developed. So there is always a refusal from authority to accept someone. So you don't want to accept someone else's authority. There is impulse to kill with knife. There is always a tendency to fight with others. So that's the major certain mental symptoms. If you look at the totality, contradiction ailment from aggravate evening amulette. So contradiction which used to get he ailment from which can ameliorate from the evening. So in the evening time he gets something which is very much relaxed. Although he develops very much aversion from the contradiction, but in evening time he is pretty much quiet and simple. Delusion wrong suffered he thinks he is pretty much wrong suffered. Delusion sick he is going to be. Another major core rubric. Only 7 remedies are. Delusion sick going to be. Delusion poisoned has been. Delusion he thinks he has been poisoned. Delusion bird sees. He thinks lots of birds are clipping around him. Authority refusal to accept someone. He thinks that he is in. He is always at the ability to refuse the authority of someone else. He don't want to work under anyone's authority. Kill desire to with knife business. Always have the desire to kill. Fight wants to others. Always wanted to fight with others. So some of the major core rubric are cutting, darting, stabbing, brain were cut into pieces on stooping as if. So cutting, darting and stabbing pain and brain were cut into pieces as if. Head pain in general, tearing, rending, extending to eyes, left in paroxysm. So head pain in general, tearing, rending, which is extending to the eye left in paroxysm. pain, burning, smarting, biting, afternoon menses during. So there is pain in the eye, which is type of a burning, smarting and stabbing in the afternoon, and which aggravate during the menses. Eyes, eyelid, margin of swelling. So there is swelling in the eyes, in the margin of the eyes, especially which aggravates in the evening. Pain, cramping, gripping in the inguinal region, stool during. So during the stool, there is pain, which is cramping, gripping in the inguinal region. Think of Nicolam. It's on the Kent's repertory. Erection, supper during. So during in the especially supper is a time which is in a in the evening, I would say. It's the time where sun used to get settled. So in the especially there are erection in the male penis during the supper time. Think of this remedy, Nicolam. So cough, what is the characteristic of cough? Clock-like sticks. The cough is used to stick like clock. During the corner of the neck, this cough used to stick like a clock. The patient will say, as if cough is like, it is sticking like a cough, it's rounded way. Think of this remedy. Dry cough midnight after 4 a.m. until. So there are lots of dry cough in the midnight 4 a.m. until. Think of Nicolam. Cough, put hands in the thigh during. So during the cough, he puts his hands in the thigh. Stitching, stooping pain, scapula between standing while. So he's stitching and stooping pain between the scapula, standing while. Think of Nicolam. So this is all about the Nicolam, and so this is all about the book. And you can contact to me at nishan25smilebox@gmail.com. If you want any information about our courses, you can also write down to me. Thank you.